In this video, we are going to see that if your Microsoft Edge screen suddenly goes black without any evident reason, that might be a problem with your graphics. And here is a quick solution on how you can resolve this. So what we basically do is we want to head over to the Start menu and search for Apps and Features. Click on the installed apps, or you can also head over to the settings. Let me just tell you, go to the Start menu right here, settings. This will take you this section. You click on apps and you click on installed apps. And from here in the search, we will just write Edge. So once you found that, you click on these three dots and click on modify. Click on yes, and it will run a quick repair for you. So this will solve most of the problems. As soon as we hit repair, it will download a fresh copy and basically reinstall or update the Microsoft Edge. So just wait for it to complete. So once that is complete, it will relaunch the application or browser, and hopefully your problem should be resolved. If you're still having the problem, you click on the three dots on the browser and head over to the settings. And from here on the left hand side, we choose system and performance. Click on the system and it says use graphic acceleration whenever available. You toggle that to the off position, and after that just relaunch the browser, or maybe if you want you can restart the Windows as well in order to make that effective. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.